Tesla Phone Pi 5G. Elon Musk's first smartphone, Tesla is working on a new Model Pi smartphone that will be able to work on Mars. The Tesla Phone Pi 5G 2022 will be the smartphone of the future. Their new device is scheduled for release in 2022. This new device, according to Tesla, will have a plethora of advanced features. It is also widely available in all countries around the world. In general, the device will be highly regulated. This means that if you use this device, the network will function in the woods, mountains, and even on Mars. The only explanation appears to be that this smartphone will be able to connect to a satellite-based network. When you download something, Starlink is a system that allows you to download it as quickly as possible. It will have a download speed of 150 megabytes per second, 200 megabytes per second, according to a Tesla mobile fan. This new device's release is expected to obliterate the market for other smartphones. Another worry is that the device will be able to do whatever the user wants it to do. If you think I'll go to YouTube while using the device, you're mistaken. The device will then do so right away. You are not required to use a mobile device in this location. The device will function on its own. The Model Pi will also have a one-of-a-kind case cover, which appears to be impossible to use. Word of mouth, on the other hand, will allow the device to change color. The Tesla Model Pi comes with 4 cameras, solar charging, and a Starlink satellite connection. A solar panel will also be included with this device. Sunlight has the ability to charge your phone in as little as 30 minutes. You can also learn a lot about Mars using this device if you want to. The most surprising new feature of the device is the inclusion of Neuralink technology. Also responsible for the deep integration of Neuralink technology. These are the original neurocomputer interfaces, or chips, that Elon Musk's company plans to implant in the human brain in order to treat injuries and increase brain capacity. A Neuralink brain phone interface is said to be built into the Model Pi. Companies are developing ultra-high bandwidth brain-machine interfaces to connect people and computers. Tesla has not released any technical information about the device, such as its processor, screen size, RAM, or battery capacity. Furthermore, users will be able to generate Mars coin cryptocurrency directly from their smartphones using this device. Images of the new device, which is thought to be outside the EV maker, have leaked in technology publications, along with a few details about what it might be capable of. The most widely spread rumor is that the phone will include a Starlink connection. As a result, while on Mars, the phone will be able to communicate with Earthlings. The Tesla Phone Pi 5G 2022 is set to be released in the United States on December 21, 2022. The smartphone is expected to have a starting price of $259. This device is extremely powerful and has a slew of new features. If you're thinking about buying this phone, this advice will not let you down.